Let us solve this problem. In an examination, 5% of the applicants were found ineligible. So how many candidates I'm taking? I'm taking 100. And then not eligible. How many of them are not eligible? As per this, 5 of them are not eligible. So how many of them are going to be eligible? 95, isn't it? 95. Now, let the story continue. Further, the problem says that 85% of the eligible candidates belong to the general category. So, general category, 85% of 95. If 4275 eligible candidates belong to the other category, so other category, how many? 50. Obviously, 85% will be from general category, so 15% of 95, as per our understanding, will be from the other category. And the problem says it is nothing but 4275. So 15% of 95 is nothing but 4275. ध्यान से देखना है इसको, सिंपल है ये प्रॉब्लम. So 15% is what? 3 by 20 into 95 is equal to 4275. सिंप्लीफाई कर देते हैं. 19 into 5, 4 into 5. Then R1 is going to be 4275 into 4 and then 1 by 3 and then 1 by 19, something like this. करते हैं इसको सिंप्लीफाई. अगर आपने सिंप्लीफाई किया तो ये कितना आएगा? पहले तो 3 से कर देते हैं, 14 and then 25, राइट. फिर 19 से कर देते हैं, 19 into 7, 133 and then 5 and then 25, these two are gone, 75 and then 4. If you multiply these values, what is that you're going to be getting? You're getting 300. So what is the interpretation? What is the interpretation? R1 is problems 300. And how many applicants that we have taken in the problem? 100. So R100 is going to be their 300 into 100, and that is nothing but 30,000. Simple, isn't it? You don't have to do a lot of calculation to simplify these kind of problems.